Hi, I'm Matthew Opyd, Director of IT, Managed Network Services here at Proven IT. And today, we would like to talk about our network operation centers, which can help your business move faster, go farther, and more securely. Proven IT's Network Operations Center provides round-the-clock monitoring of your network, ensuring everything is running as it should. We handle all aspects of Windows patching, maintenance, and firmware updates, so you don't have to worry about downtime. Any potential issues are promptly alerted to our team, allowing us to take immediate action to resolve them before they affect your operations. Our goal is to keep your company productive, giving your employees the ability to work without interruption. Our NOC services work seamlessly with our help desk and security teams, providing a cohesive approach to your IT management, along with the partnership with our vendors so your environment is up to the highest standards. At Proven IT, our NOC services are reliable, proactive, and comprehensive IT support. Contact us today to help your business thrive.